Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest way to change your voice on Discord Mobile in 2025. If you've ever wanted to prank your friends, play a character, or just have fun in your calls, this is the method you need. And the best part? It's super simple. First things first, open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Voice Mode Soundboard. Go ahead and install the app. It's completely safe and lightweight. Once that's done, open Discord Mobile and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your user icon at the bottom right to access your settings. From there, tap the gear icon at the top right to enter the full settings menu. Scroll down until you find voice and video settings and tap to open it. Here's the key part. Under voice input method, select voice mode. This connects your voice to the soundboard app. Then, under output device, make sure to choose headset so the sound comes through clearly without any glitches. And that's it. Now you can start talking on Discord with a completely different voice, whether it's high-pitched, robotic, or even deep and mysterious. Your friends won't know what hit them. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss the latest Discord tricks and tips. Go ahead, try it out, and have some fun with your new voice.